One kiss is all it takes.
Falling in love with me.
Fucking shit on my motherfucking screen. The fuck? One kiss my ass.
It has been a while, guys. It has been a while.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me.
Yes, guys.
slide with
मैं
me.
so YouTube के break पे गया था. I needed this break honestly और मेरे को ये realize हुआ after I scrapped 4 scripts and 2 videos in 1 week. एक week में 2 videos बना के scrap कर दी. माच होता है. मजा ही नहीं आ रहा था. Although I shouldn't do that क्योंकि मेरे को realize हुआ कि मैं जैसी भी video बनाऊं अच्छी हो बुरी हो तुम्हारे comments constant रहते हैं. So what's the point? Disappoint you always fail to disappoint. You fail to. I will fail to disappoint your mom when I sleep with her in bed. Will intercourse. So welcome back to the most mature channel on YouTube, guys. You know how it is. It has been a while and a lot of shit has happened, guys. काफी कुछ हो चुका है. Urvashi Rautela called cricket bat ball openly on the internet and that backfired. Obviously, मतलब you don't do that and go free. Andrew Tate got banned from all over social media and the saddest man on the internet right now is obviously Fink. The dick riding is pretty crazy.
मैंने सर्च करा and he was Andrew motherfucking Tate, the top G, a multi-millionaire.
I mean, no offense, Fink का probably darkest day of my life part 2 आने वाला है. He is probably very sad, guys. बहुत sad. And Mr. Beast is in India, which this video is all about, guys. Yes, मैं Mr. Beast की dick riding करूँगा. Let's go. Not really, मैं dick riding नहीं करूँगा. मैं dick rider हूँ नहीं. मैं क्या हूँ मैं? What I will be doing though is pointing out dick riding, guys. Dick riding को point out करने के लिए आ चुका है not dick rider, me. I am the not dick rider, okay? अगर तुमको dick riding का मतलब नहीं पता तो मैं educate कर देता हूँ. It is actually to behave in a submissive, subservient और over flattering manner toward. ठीक है, किसी की तरफ ऐसे behave करना, मतलब basically गांड चाटना उनकी, but वो ass licking होगी. But dick riding भी similar ही है, similar grounds है. तुम लोग समझ गए होंगे, मेरे को इतनी समझाने की जरूरत नहीं है. इतने कबार थोड़ा ना हो तुम. So all of this started when 8-bit Thug tweeted, Mr. Beast should plan a video here in India. The creator community is huge here with insane audience. It could turn up as the most viewed video for sure. Yes, for sure. So Mr. Beast obviously replied, being a sweet guy, I am down. Who should I collab with? And that's where things went downhill. बहुत sad होगी वहाँ से चीजें.
No. Wait.
YouTube India collab OP. Soul Esports X Mr. Beast. Immortal. I mean, I genuinely support it. करो बहुत अच्छी. But क्या करोगे? क्या PUBG मोबाइल खेलोगे साथ में बैठ के? I don't get it. क्या chicken dinner winner? I'm just joking, guys. I'm sure Soul Esports is much more than that. You know, वो लोग ultimate cooking challenge भी करते हैं अपने चैनल पे, mobility challenge भी करते हैं. But yes, things have gone downhill, guys, and I'm pretty sure a collab will be coming with some of these YouTubers in the near future. So I thought, why not I take this opportunity to let Mr. Beast know of better options. अगर हम उनके साथ कोलैब कर सकते हैं तो फिर इस लिस्ट ऑफ यूट्यूबर्स के साथ तो पक्का करना ही चाहिए. That's all.
On my worst night, on the best.
So the first YouTuber that I feel Mr. Beast should definitely collab with is Avanti Nagral, guys. Obviously my favorite YouTuber, my favorite, no doubt at all. क्योंकि actually I would love to see Avanti Nagral x Mr. Beast. You know, दोनों sex education discuss कर रहे हैं, sex toys दे रहे हैं एक दूसरे को. It's something that I would really cherish to watch. You know, you know how it is, guys. I love sex education, especially when it is taught on the internet by Avanti Nagral. It's something worth watching.
Are sex toys safe and can they take your virginity? What kind of sex toys wouldn't be awkward if your family finds them?
Asking the questions that matter actually. अगर मेरे पास dildo हुआ तो मेरी फैमिली ड्रामा करेगी या फिर अगर मेरे पास वाइब्रेटर हुआ तो मेरी फैमिली ड्रामा. मैं उसी हिसाब से खरीदूं ना अपने लिए. I mean, Mr. Beast needs to know that, guys. Obviously he does. I mean, come on.
This is Avanti.
Avanti, make it happen. Make it happen.
जब आप sex शब्द सुनते हो पहली बार, then what usually comes to your mind?
नहीं मिलता। The next YouTuber that I genuinely feel Mr. Beast should collab with while he's in India is फुकरा इंसान guys। Obviously फुकरा इंसान एक बहुत ही बड़ा कंटेंडर है मेरे हिसाब से कोलैब करने के लिए। I mean एक फॉरेन यूट्यूबर का जो चीप रिप ऑफ होता है वो उस फॉरेन यूट्यूबर के साथ कोलैब करना ही चाहिए ना, मतलब that's how it works right? ऐसा ही तो वर्क करता है शायद, है नहीं? That's what I thought। तो फुकरा इंसान डेफिनेटली गाइस, फुकरा इंसान तो मेरे लिए टॉप कंटेंडर है यार। मेरे को देखना है फुकरा इंसान और मिस्टर बीस्ट को साथ में कुछ मिस्टर बीस्ट का वीडियो आइडिया करने का, मतलब ऐसा तो करना चाहिए ना यार। ऐसे कुछ थोड़ा ना अकेले फुकरा इंसान कब तक करेगा? मिस्टर बीस्ट के साथ करो कॉपी, है कि नहीं? ईशान शर्मा, यस गाइस, ईशान शर्मा फेलो 19-year-old करोड़पति, अपना करोड़पति है गाइस। ये बहुत सालों से 19-year-olds का ही है एंड बहुत सालों से करोड़ कमा रहा है गाइस। इट्स इनसेन हाउ मेनी करोड्स ही हैज अर्न्ड एंड हाउ बैड ही हैज मेड अदर पीपल फील अबाउट इट।
I'm Ishan Sharma. This video is going to be sort of like my journey of how I started from my IIT JEE exam to getting into college, to learning skills, to get to work with brands, to start my market. Should not come out as a flex because there are 19-year-olds who are building 1,000 crore startups.
मैं तो कहूंगा कि ईशान यू शुड मेक अ ट्विटर थ्रेड इन कोलैबोरेशन विद मिस्टर बीस्ट। मैं कह रहा पहला वैल्यूएबल थ्रेड होगा शायद वो तेरे ट्विटर का एंड यू नो फॉर चेंज इट माइट एक्चुअली हेल्प पीपल इंस्टेड ऑफ मेकिंग देम फील बैड अबाउट देमसेल्व्स। ईशान कम ऑन यार, 5 easy ways to make 50k per month for students with Mr. Beast. Come on, we got this. It's insane how many crores this guy has earned, bro. It's insane actually. ये मिस्टर बीस्ट को इनसिक्योरिटी कॉम्प्लेक्स दे देगा भाई। ये क्रेजी बंदा है ये। He'll make मिस्टर बीस्ट फील कि यार क्या मैं पैसा कमा पा रहा हूँ, सारा पैसा तो ईशान शर्मा कमा रहा है। Fourth YouTuber is obviously Flying Beast just because of his sheer love for dogs, guys. We know Mr. Beast loves dogs. We know Flying Beast loves dogs, and they're both Mr. Beast, Flying Beast dog collaboration. ऐसा Flying Beast बताया Mr. Beast को कि असली प्यार कैसे दिखाते हैं कुत्तों को। I would pay to see that actually. No, I would not. Saurav Joshi, guys, obviously Saurav Joshi तो भाई कैसे हम how can we let that guy go? Come on, guys, he's actually making cinema. He's making cinema, guys. You know that.
Why do you like Saurav Joshi? I love shit which is every day. And I'm not hyping him, but I experience pure moments of cinema.
Pure moments of cinema in Saurav Joshi vlogs, guys. That's what I'm saying. Mr. Beast, if you're watching, pay attention.
Cinema which is unconscious, you know, cinema which is not, he's not trying for it to be cinematic. I'll give you so many examples. He hit one of his many milestones. He अपने studio में गया, all his cousins were there. सब पार्टी वार्टी करके चले गए. And he switches on the camera and he says कि सब आए, पार्टी हुई, but हमने डांस नहीं किया, तो अब हम डांस करेंगे और आप हमें बस डांस करते हुए देखो. So the camera is on and this is just a minute of these 3 brothers dancing. And it's not for the camera, you know. It's just him feeling happy.
If it's not for the camera, then why switch on the camera? But I'm just saying, guys, these are pure moments of cinema that you're watching on screen right now. So you get what I'm saying, right? Cinematic कुछ create कर दे ऐसे सौरभ जोशी मिस्टर बीस्ट साथ में ऐसे डांस कर ले कैमरा ऑन करके, not for the camera guys, not for the camera, but कैमरा ऑन करके तो मजा ही आ जाए कुछ। I mean I'm pretty sure कि मिस्टर बीस्ट के साथ कोलैब हुआ तभी भी थंबनेल में पीयूष ही होगा, but you know फिर भी शायद देख ले लोग, शायद क्या पता देख। मिस्टर एंड मिसेस प्रिंस गाइस, obviously the best couple on the internet right now जिसको मैंने डिस्कवर किया, बट अब सब उससे व्यूज मिल कर रहे हैं, but that is all good guys। मैं अंडररेटेड ही ठीक हूँ शायद, I don't know। सैड हूँ मैं, अंदर से बहुत टूट चुका हूँ, खत्म हो अंदर से मैं पता। Point is Mr. and Mrs. Prince, best pregnancy channel of YouTube. Mr. Beast, if you're watching, definitely collab with them. ऐसे उनका बच्चा बन जा उनकी वीडियो में, ऐसे वो फिर क्या पता 70 वीडियो निकाल दे तेरे पे। That is actually something that I would like to watch that. Priti Patwa guys, for obvious reasons, मैं बस एक challenge करना देखना चाहता हूँ, मतलब Mr. Beast को करते हुए इंडिया में। Mr. Beast has survived 24 hours in the worst of places guys, मतलब इतनी खराब जगहों पे surviving 24 hours, surviving this much time, surviving that much time. I say survive 1 hour in the same room with Priti Patwa talking the whole time.
Hi, Rest welcome back.
Take the challenge. I mean, just I would मैं नहीं करूँगा. But Mr. Beast, if you want to take up a challenge India में, this is the one you should go for. Anyway, I guess that is it for today's video, guys. मेरे को बस ये message Mr. Beast को देना था that I just want to make sure that Mr. Beast collaborates with the best of the best YouTubers while he's in India. I mean, ऐसे Mortal Scout वगैरह से करके चला जाए तो क्या फायदा है? ये cream है YouTube India का, cream है ये, ठीक है? The best of the best. the best actually. And if he actually wants to collaborate with somebody who is the most mature channel on YouTube, तो मेरे को बता देना, मैं like link करवा सकता हूँ कुछ, ठीक है? If that's happening, let me know. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys understand this is only meant for entertainment purposes, guys. Please, ठीक है? मैं किसी को personally hate नहीं करता हूँ, शायद. I guess we'll never know. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed, like, share, subscribe, comment कर देना. I'll be try to be regular from here on onwards, and I hope you're regular in watching my videos and commenting shit comments as well. Bye bye guys. Subscribe. Thank you for 80k. Hopefully we have reached it by now. मतलब by now तो नहीं हो पाएंगे, but like by 1-2 days after uploading video. तुम समझ रहे हो ना? चलो bye.
Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a